Going back to the business aspect of things, what segment of your laundry business right now seems to be performing the best? I know you run full service operations. What's working the best right now, and why do you think that is?
Yeah, so we don't run delivery, right? So we run full service and we run
Hmm.
wash and fold. It's funny because we
Hmm.
have a lot of different areas. So like some stores really do well with wash dry fold. Some stores we don't even really offer wash dry fold where we don't have any workers there. Self service is only there. Our self service is strong, and I think we focus in on self service because we like that business model of people coming in and giving them the ability to do their laundry and keeping a welcoming environment and nice stores. And what we do necessarily isn't what everyone does or what everyone needs to do. But for us, we our business model from the beginning was to focus in on self service. We always looked at it as if we focus in on self service, at some point we have the ability, if we want to bring in more wash dry fold and or delivery, we have the ability to do it. But we felt like self service needs to be the core of the business. And it's been a good success for us so far. And when we look at stores, we look for self service driven stores. We try and stay away from heavy wash dry fold. Not that wash dry fold's wrong, not that it's not a good business. It just didn't fit the model
Hmm.
we were trying to go for.